today. It's 4th of July. I'm tired. Make this quick. So I'm doing the Firecracker 10K in Arbutus, Maryland. It's like a Baltimore County suburb. This is the stuff that I got for packet pickup. So it's just a shirt. The shirt actually looks pretty decent. Then my bib number, which is 218. And yeah, I'm getting ready to run a 10K. So yeah, it's probably already like 80-something degrees right now. So it's not going to be a cool race. It's going to be very hot. So I'm sleepy, but yeah, I'm going to get through this and then get back home and get on the grill and start barbecuing before these fights today. I'm going to just watch boxing and go to sleep at some point. But yeah, here goes nothing. Alright, so yeah, I'm out here. Let's see, where's the store? I guess we'll go the opposite direction. So I am getting to where I need to go to. Get this over with, get on this grill, go to sleep, and then watch some boxing. Okay, I'm tired. I don't feel like I've been out here. I don't know why I sound up here. Something's wrong with me. We're gonna see what we can do. Don't see it being one of my better runs, but I don't know. I never ran this course. That's not for me. There's quite a few people here. So, a medium-sized race, I guess. Yeah, I can do what I can do. Alright, here goes nothing. Let's see what we can do.
Outside?
Alright, so we've been going off at the beginning of the race. Looks like we're getting ready to go downhill for a little bit. It's not really the greatest run to come back to after being sick for a week or that cold. But I'm gonna get it done. Slowly, but I'm gonna get it done. I should still be on pace to run the 10-minute first mile. Yeah. I'm gonna be crawling to the finish line today. This might not have been one of my best ideas. Alright, 10:35 after the first mile. I'm definitely going slower, but it's been uphill for the beginning. So, I'm just doing what I gotta do to get there. But yeah, it's pretty difficult. I ain't had enough training runs since I was trying to recover from the cold. So I'm just getting through, just fighting through. But yeah, it's hot out here.
I have my money.
All right.
Thank you.
Let's get it wet.
Thank you.
All right, that felt pretty good. Let's see if the rest of the race feel the same way. Probably not. But we're gonna keep on going. We're gonna get wet today. We're definitely gonna get wet today. Alright. Keep going uphill. This run is pretty difficult.
You got it.
It's not as bad as the Juneteenth race in DC. That was the worst race I've ever run in my life, but
which one in DC?
the conditions for this is pretty tough, but I knew what I was getting into. It's July. I ain't never seen snow in July.
Hey, are you OJ from PGRC?
Let's keep on going.
I'm sorry.
All right, 21:41 after 2. So, yeah, it's about as good as I'm gonna get today. It's not gonna be a fast race. It's gonna be a personal best, but only because I never ran this race. So I'm gonna take the miss and enjoy it. Oh, that feels great. I felt really good. All right, let's keep on going. All right, we just passed the 3 mile sign, so we're almost halfway to the finish line. 35:01 after 3, so yeah, we're going pretty good. Yeah, so I'm taking every sprinkler if I can, and pretty much every water stop, because I probably won't be running any faster than whatever I'm running now, which is a little bit over like 3 miles probably. So yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy the sights and just keep on making it to the finish line. I'm gonna be there soon. Yeah, when I do get there.
There's wet bandanas.
Yeah, that's cool. I'll take one of those. Thanks. Yeah, this is great.
Thank you guys.
This might be one of the best races I ran all year.
Go ahead and drop them. Don't worry about it. I'll get them.
All right, thanks. All right, let's keep on going. And I'm so familiar with these streets all the years driving up and down it. For the 5 years I've been living out here, it's nice to see the old neighborhood. I love it. Oh man, that looks great. All right, let's keep on going. All right, we're taking another one. We're taking another one. Yeah. We're all champions. All right, let's keep on going. Yeah, let's get on in here. Let's get on in here. Yeah. We got another sprinkler coming up. We're gonna get this one too. We're gonna get this one too.
Go ahead, take some water. Happy
Yeah.
Take some water.
Thanks.
You guys are champions. My daughter thanks me.
Let's keep on going. Stay hydrated. Let's take every sprinkler that we can. And keep
I'm
on
only
going.
doing this for the sprinklers. I know that you.
I don't know what I'm doing this for. I should be home like sleep right now.
Yes, but this is better.
I don't know about that. Not if you've been doing electrical work all night for an emergency call.
Electrical work is training. You're already trained up for this.
No, I'm trained up, but yeah, I need a break. All right, here we go. Got another sprinkler. Let's get wet, y'all. Let's get wet. Let's get wet. Yeah, yeah. All right, let's keep on going. Yeah, that looked pretty good right there. Thanks. Here we go. Got a popsicle for all my struggling right now. I heard about the popsicles the other day, so I was like, oh yeah, that's pretty cool. So let's go. Wow, remind me of me being a kid. How I miss these things. I might have to buy a box for Jay. Oh man, definitely a hot one. Nah, I'm going. Where I know it's gonna be over. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You guys are doing awesome.
All right, we got all the sprinklers. I love it. I'm gonna take it all.
Thank you.
I'm gonna take it all. Oh man.
Thank you.
I miss living out here. I gotta move back. That was great. I still got some more to go. This is worth the price of the race alone. Well, let's keep on going to the next one. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Let's get the next one. Let's get the next one.
Thank you.
Yeah. All right, we got another one. We're gonna get the next one too. Come on. Let's get the next one. Let's get the next one. Yeah. Yeah. All right. That felt great. All right. Now we can slow it down a little bit.
Stay cool.
Doing my best. All right, we got a new flavor right here. I don't know what it is. I think maybe lemon or something. Let's keep on. Let's see how it is. It's definitely better than lemon Gatorade. So, yeah. I'm gonna enjoy this one too. Going uphill is tough, man. All right, here go another one. Let's get all the way in. There we go. All right, we're going through another one. There's so many I can't record them all, but I love them all. I definitely needed each and every one of these sprinklers. I definitely appreciate it. Come on. Come on, we almost there. Let's keep fighting and get to this finish line. Smell like Royal Farms over here. Yeah, I guess I'll take it.
Great job.
Let's go. Let's keep on going. All right, mile 4.
I don't like
we going. 2.2 left. We're gonna get there. 49, 43, out to 4. So, yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. So, yeah, we're gonna keep taking these sprinklers and just keep enjoying the race. All right, we're 5 miles in. So 1.2 left. 1.2 left. 1 hour, 4 minutes. So, yeah, we're going pretty good. I'll finish probably after maybe 1:12, I guess. I don't know. I don't know how this last mile is gonna be, but I'm gonna enjoy it. I'm not running another race to the end of July. I don't have anything scheduled right now other than the DC half. And well, just for this year. But yeah, that's all Las Vegas Marathon training. That's all this is. It won't be humid like this, but it will be a tough race, and I'm gonna enjoy it. So yeah, let's get this last 1.2 left and go get on this grill to barbecue. My skin is gonna look like if I just keep staying out here, so I better finish this race. We're almost there. We're gonna take this water stop and we're gonna keep on going. Cause we almost there. We almost there.
Almost there, man. I think you got like a mile left or something.
Almost there.
All right, thank you.
All right, let's keep on going. I'm almost there. I'm almost at the finish line. I'm getting there. I'm gonna get there. Runner's high just went away as I start going uphill, but we're gonna keep on going because we almost there. We almost there. I see the finish line. So we're gonna keep racing to it. Made it to the finish line.
Good man, good man.
This is what we run for, right here. That and barbecue. Made it to the finish line. All right, that was a good run. That was a nice ending.
How are our towels? I think they're okay.
I am tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. But made it to the finish line. Alright, so I'm gonna make this pretty quick. Alright, so I just made it to the finish line. GoPro died, I guess at some point during the race, but it's not a big deal. I caught the rest of the end of the race on my phone or whatever. So it was a nice race to the finish. I couldn't keep up with the guy that had passed me, but yeah, you don't always win that race at the end, but it was still fun to compete. But yeah, I made it to the finish line. I enjoyed the second half of the race. First half of the race was really tough. It was just mostly uphill, but I mean, I got it done. It just took me a minute to, like, I guess, get in the flow of running this distance again and just running in the heat. But I mean, once I got to that and just started enjoying more of the race with the sprinklers and 2 popsicles that I had and everything, and just it made everything so much better. It didn't feel as hard running the race as it was at first, at the beginning when I first started, because I did not want to be here. But yeah, I'm feeling good now. Let's see if I still can feel this way as I get on this hot barbecue grill today to make these ribs and stuff. But yeah, I really enjoyed today. I may be back next year. Just not sure yet. But yep, that was a fun race. Made it to the finish line.